Welcome back to Profits Unlimited podcast channel. Just wanted to talk a few minutes about, how this COVID virus thing is affecting virtually all of our businesses. Coming to you live here at the Turfs Up Radio studio in Louisville, Kentucky. Whether we've been shut down in a state or whether we're still operating, or maybe you'll never be shut down. But just some things that we can try to implement in our own companies to help our companies not only get through this, because we're all going to get through this. I mean, let's just rest assured that that's going to be the answer. We're all going to get through it. We're going to come out better on the other side for it, kind of like the recession in 2008. We're going to learn a lot of things about our customers. We're going to learn a lot of things about our companies. But we got to take some precautionary measures if you're still out in the field providing service, not only with your customer base, but with your employees, whether it's just you and one other employee or you've got 1,000 people working with you. We got to think about what can we do maybe a little different, a little better, so we're not exposed, we're not spreading it amongst your own crews. So I know some little things we've done just quickly, and like I said, it's going to be a very short video, but stagger your crew start times. Don't have 10 people or 20 people or 30 people all come in at the same time like they used to probably, okay? I know something we've started doing is we've staggered those start times by about 20 minutes. Guys, when they get here, they don't congregate, they're not talking, they just go get their truck, get their trailer, get it loaded, and get out. Something else we've done is reduced crew size. Instead of putting 3 or more people in a truck potentially, put 1 or 2 people in a truck. If you need more people on a job site, have 2 trucks go to that job site or 3 trucks go to that job site. I know it's not the most efficient thing that we can be doing right now, but at the end of the day, we got to take care of ourselves, we got to take care of our employees, and we got to take care of all the American citizens out there that are going to have to get through this. And we're all going to make it through it, but we just think smart. That's all I'm going to say. This isn't, you got to do it this way or you got to do it that way. This is the first time anything like this has ever happened. And all I'm going to tell everybody is let's keep that social distancing. If we have to shut down, shut down. Don't be argumentative about it. In the best interest of you and your employees and our country as a whole is let's beat this thing. And we are going to beat this thing, and we're all going to be better companies for it. And at the end of the day, it might cost us some money now, right? It probably will. But at the end of the day, our companies are still going to be there. Our customers are going to be there predominantly. And I know we're going to lose some. You're going to lose some. We're all going to lose some customers potentially, depending on how long this goes on. But we're going to come out the other side of it. Let's look positive on it and know that, hey, it's something that's never, ever happened before, guys. And we're all going to get through it, and we're all going to be better for it. And our companies are going to come through better for it. Because remember, one thing, profit is not a dirty word, and that's never going to change. See you next time. Keep a positive attitude. And most importantly, wash your hands, social distancing, right? And be safe. See you next time.